I hope your food arrived in great condition.
Got a DoorDash order.
Not me.
They said blue shirt to the professor. Cucumber.
DoorDash delivered? Get out! Get out! Get out of the classroom or I am calling UCIPD. Get out now! You got a DoorDash?
Fatality.
But this is beyond disrespectful. Kill O'Neal. Just leave my on the fucking Eiffel Tower. How the fuck am I?
What's with the DoorDash?
I got a delivery, yeah.
No way.
To Las Vegas. Someone got In-N-Out Burger.
You really did?
Can you believe it?
That's crazy.
Long day at work, bro. There for someone ordered from Indiana, so I'm picking it up right now.
Indiana? What? Uber for Austin? Going to the airport? Drink somewhere?
No, I think you ordered a drink.
I had a drink.